Welcome to the Lawson State Library video tutorial series. This video tutorial is provided to assist you with accessing Lawson State Library databases from off-campus. When accessing Lawson State Library's website and our resources, we recommend that you use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome as your web browser. From our library's homepage, you can access our Lawson State databases in two ways. One is in the top right-hand corner, you will see a tab that is labeled Log into Databases here. The second way in which you can access our Lawson State databases is through our course guides, which is also located in the top right-hand corner of our website. A tab is labeled Course Guides. Either way in which you choose to access our databases from off-campus, you will be required to log in. Let's look at how to access our Lawson State databases through our course guides. So, when you're on our website, if you would, look in the top right-hand corner and you should see a tab labeled Course Guides. Click on that tab. From that tab, you will be brought to the home page for our Lawson State LibGuides. These LibGuides were created to assist you with doing research in your courses. All the LibGuides are listed in alphabetical order by the name of course. For this example, we'll be taking a look at the English 101 English Composition LibGuide. From the listing, find the E's, and from the E's you should see below Emergency Medical Services a tab titled English 101 English Composition 1. Click on that title. From there, you will be brought to the home page for this LibGuide. From the LibGuide for English 101, you will see boxes that have been created that have within those boxes a list of databases and other resources that will assist you with doing research in your course. In this example, you see in the center column a box labeled Databases for Basic Information Research. From this box, you will see a listing of some of our databases that will assist you with doing research in your course. From this listing, if there is a database that you're interested in reviewing from off-campus, simply click on the title for that database. Once you have done this, you will then be brought to the sign-in page for that database. In order to sign in, you will need to enter in your Lawson State email address. Then you will need to click on the Next tab below the field in which you put your Lawson State email address into. Once you click on Next, you will then be prompted to enter in your password. Your password is simply the password that you have either been provided upon being enrolled at Lawson or the password in which you changed it to after you were enrolled. Once you've entered in your password, you will then be prompted to click on Sign In. Once you have signed in, you will be brought to the interface of the database in which you are wanting to review or search. If you have any questions for us about how to access our Lawson State databases, you can simply call us at either the Birmingham or Bessemer campus, the numbers provided. You can also email us at askalibrarian@lawsonstate.edu, or you can chat with a librarian on our widget from our library's homepage.